In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a free 3D action figure. By the end, you'll know how to turn a single photo into a toy style character render using ChatGPT, and you'll have a clear approach for dialing in the look, pose, and accessories you want. First, open ChatGPT in your browser and log in. You'll be working directly in a chat, so keep the interface simple. A single conversation dedicated to this project helps you keep track of prompts and versions as you refine the design. Next, upload a clear photo of the person or character you want to transform. Choose an image with good lighting, a front-facing or three-quarter angle, and a clean background so the face and outfit read clearly. Aim for a high-resolution photo, and make sure you have the right to use the image. If it's a real person, get their permission. Avoid using minors' photos. A neutral background and minimal shadows will make the toy-style details pop. Now, start with a clear base prompt. You can say, create a 3D action figure toy based on the person in the photo. Use a stylized collectible figure look with smooth plastic materials, crisp edges, and soft studio lighting. Emphasize the likeness while keeping it playful and non-photorealistic. If you want the result to feel like a boxed collectible, you can also mention a simple stand or a clean studio backdrop. From there, get specific about what defines your figure. Describe the clothing in detail, colors, materials, and any signature features. Specify the pose, maybe a dynamic one leg forward hero stance with bent elbows, or a calm arms crossed power pose. List accessories that match the character's vibe, like a helmet, a cape, a backpack, or a small prop in one hand. You can also mention proportions, slightly larger head, simplified textures, and subtle seams to reinforce that toy aesthetic. If you have a color palette in mind, include it so the render feels cohesive. If the initial result isn't perfect, refine it right in the conversation. Ask the AI to adjust the clothing color, swap the pose, remove busy elements, or change the background to a clean gradient. If the face feels too realistic, request a more stylized, figure-like finish with softer features and matte plastic. If highlights look harsh, ask for softer lighting and reduced reflections. Keep each request clear and focused, then iterate. Small specific tweaks, like shorter jacket, wider stance, or brighter base stand, help you converge on the exact look you want. That's it. With a clear photo, a focused base prompt, and a few targeted refinements, you'll have a polished toy-style 3D action figure ready to show off. Have fun bringing your character to life.